Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell, here to share your April 2021 Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit is our smaller of our main kits. They include 2 brand new collections. You'll get cardstock, you'll get pattern paper, and embellishments. You'll also have access to a recipe card, one for each one of the 2 collections. These are double-page layouts designed by the design team. They give you cutting and assembly instructions and then a full color photograph of the finished layout. So you can create right along with our design team, or of course you can go off and create anything that you like. You can also come on over to the Facebook group and we have sketch challenges, the Freaky Fast Friday challenge, all sorts of challenges that you can join in on, use your kits up and have some fun, win some prizes. So this month we have the 2 collections. This one is photo play paper, Fern Willard. Beautiful summer collection, just a lot of fun. And from Fancy Pants we have Peachy Keen, which kind of goes around the peachy color, but I love the embellishments and stuff. It's kind of eclectic, so it can go for just about anything. So let's dig in, take a closer look at each one of these collections, and see what you're going to get. The first collection we're going to look at is Peachy Keen from Fancy Pants. So you'll start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, 1 sheet of sapphire. It's kind of that royal blue, perfect pairing to the peach in this collection. Our first pattern paper is this one called Peach Blossom. It has those beautiful peach florals on that royal blue. The back is a yellow and white stripe. This one called Just Peachy, which is a kind of plaid design in the peach on the white. The back are peaches. We got half peaches and the full peaches with their leaves. Then this one called Sweet Days, and it has the floral clusters that we're going to see in the embellishments as well on that peach background, and then the polka dots. The back is that beautiful blue, and this time it's kind of on a little bit of a cream, a really light cream background. So this paper collection combines the cream and the white. It's just beautiful. Love that paper there. So that is your pattern papers. For your embellishments, you're going to get 1/3 a pack of the ephemera pieces. These are the die cuts here, so they will vary. But as I said in the intro, it's a little bit eclectic. We have everything that kind of screams summer, but we have this chair, we have a soda pop, we have florals, a typewriter, a ticket stub. So this collection would be perfect if you happen to be vacationing in the South or someplace in the beach, tropical or something like that. I think this would be gorgeous to do that. Or even sitting out on your deck or your porch on these summer evening nights. This is perfect. You're also going to receive some enamel dots, so the colors on these will vary. And then some of the buttons. So these will vary as well, but this is what I got, a blue and a green, and then one that has the twig of peaches. So that is Peachy Keen from Fancy Pants. Our next collection is Fern Willard from Photoplay. And this collection just brings a smile to my face. So we're going to start with 2 sheets of denim cardstock, a sheet of butter, this pattern paper, which is the cut apart that has 3x4 and 4x6, and we have a vertical and a horizontal. Just has all of these fun little characters. These frogs are just so sweet. Love that. The back is a diagonal stripe in the pinks, the blues, the greens with the yellows. Then we have this floral in the same bright colors, pocket full of posies, and the back is that denim color, that dark navy blue with just a little scalloped in the light blue. Hopefully that shows up. This one called Little Bits, which I always love these. They're little 2x2 blocks of pattern paper, so you get a little bit of all of it in this. So you can use them to back little die cuts or make a grid pattern, just cut a strip for a border. It's just a lot of ways that you can use this paper. The back is a gingham yellow and white. So again, just the patterns and the colors is just a fun, happy collection. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12x12 sticker sheet. We have the border of florals, little word labels, phrase labels, make today count, good vibes only. Large words here in the script that could be used for titles, and then banners and tags and things to tuck in, and then all of these sweet little critters again. These little girls are so cute, and I love them little hugging up here. So that is a look at Fern Willard from Photoplay Paper. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to use that password when you get your kits and go in and download your recipe cards for the 2 layouts. Join us on the Facebook group for the challenges, win some prizes, see what everybody's creating, and then share what you're creating. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.